Oh man, it's a nice beautiful day here. The sun is going down, a lot of trees. I should play. Should I? I think so. Let's go play. Let's watch my steps. Oh man, I want to ride this. I want to ride this. Wait, this is actually fun. I kind of want to keep doing this. Oh my god, this is actually really fun. I'm bored now. What can I do? I wonder what I can do. Whoa, I never saw this before. What the hell? Whoa. What is this? What is this? Whoa, what is that doing there? Orange thing. Guys, see that? Guys, see that? That thing? Can I see it? Wait, what is this doing? I think this should be my new house. Man, it's so comfortable here. It's kind of fun. Well, not really. Ugh. What can I do in here? Someone? My head. It's kind of getting bored here. Like, I don't really know what to do. Do you guys know what to do? Huh? No? I should get up here. Oh, getting up here. Oh man. That really hurts. What the hell? What was that? Yes. My head. I'm not going up there. Nuh-uh. I'm not going up there. I hit my head so bad. Now I don't feel good. I think I should just lay down. Oh man, I'm just gonna lay down. Oh. Bananas. I love bananas. I wish I can eat a banana tonight. I love bananas. I love bananas. I love bananas. Oh man, it's now time. It's morning night now. Well, I'm actually really bored now. Like, what should I do? Like, what should I do, guys? Huh? What should I do? Tell me. What should I do? What should I do? I'm so bored. And what should I eat? So hungry. I just woke up. Better be a banana somewhere here. Why is there wood here? What is this? What is this doing here? It's such a mess. Whoa, I need some water. Oh, and that's some good water. Looks dangerous. Oh, I'm not going in here. Dude, I'm so bored. What can I do? Huh? What can I do? Huh? Duh, so bored here. Huh? What should I do? It's so hard to record myself. What should I do, guys? Ah, dang it. Ugh. Oh man, that was hard. Okay, there we go. Got you said it. Okay. What should I do today? Huh? What should I do? Ah, so hard. Okay. What should I do, guys? I'm so hungry. I wish I had a banana. But like, there's no banana here. Well, there's an orange tree. I want that. But like, where can I find it? I mean, how? There's no oranges. Oh, look, that's a lemon tree. Yeah, man, I am in the mood for lemons. This is so hard to take off. I can't take one off. I think I should just end this and just die. You know, I'm gonna just end this. I'm gonna end this. Okay, guys? I'm gonna just end this. This is all over. Bye. Let me just turn this off.